Hey guys, welcome to the BBQ Store, your charcoal rotisserie experts. We're all about family and we're here to help you create memories at last. Today we're going to show you fire control. So as you can see, the lamb's balance, it's cooking, turning nice and even. One of the reasons why we'd have it balanced out is that if it's unbalanced, the heavy side will go up slow, it gets to top dead center and it drops suddenly. And that can put a lot of pressure on your motor. The other thing, the heavy side comes down really fast and you get this uneven cook. So by balancing it, you get a nice even rotation, it cooks it perfectly. But now we're looking at fire control. So our coals are lit, okay, we've got a lot of heat coming through. But as you can see in the lamb, we've got less meat in the midsection, more meat around the legs and the shoulder. So what we want to do is we want to position our charcoal or our fire in the same sort of way. Now there's two things you'll notice. One is where the animal's rotating down. Okay, that's where we want to have all our coal, on the side where the animal's rolling down. So where it's rolling down, we have all our coals, because where it rolls up, that's where the fat's going to drip. So we don't want the fat dripping, because that's just going to flare it up. We don't want to have too much flare up. So what we'll do is we'll shovel all the coal over to the one side where the meat's rolling down. So that's the first thing. Now when it drips on the other side, you won't get as much flare up. Okay, and it's probably a good idea at this point to bring your gloves, because we're dealing with lumpwood charcoal. It's very hot. So if you're not used to working with lumpwood charcoal, you'll quickly realize how hot it gets, and you'll want to have your gloves nearby. Now that's the first step, is having your coals all on the one side where the meat's rolling down. The second thing I like to do is right at the ends, I like to have the coals all the way around. So I'll bring some over on this side, because what that does, having the coals almost in a U shape, allows the heat to go up and cook the ends of the animal. So you want to have the coals kind of in a U shape, and less in the midsection, more towards the meatier sides, around the legs and the shoulders. Okay guys, one of the other things I want to speak to you about today on cooking a whole lamb is your height control. So what we want to do is, right at the start of cooking, we want to keep the lamb nice and high, away from the coals. That gives the internals of the meat time to cook. And then towards the end, we want to drop it right down, stir up the fire and crispen that skin. So the way we do that is just loosen off the lock nuts, and you can actually just adjust one side at a time to relock it into place, and then come around to the other side and basically do the same. So you get it nice and level. Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more cooking tips with the BBQ Store.